Kanitha-inĩ wa Our Lady of Laudhes Cathedral kaunti-inĩ ya Machakos, Simon Ngoge na Lilian Ngene makĩoya mĩhĩtwa ya kĩhiko. Eeri nĩ arutani cukuru-inĩ wa aria matonaga wa Machakos Technical, na thabarĩ yao ya wendo yambĩrĩirie mwaka ũmwe mũhĩtũku thutha wa Simon gũthamĩrio kũu Machakos kuuma Kapenguria kaunti-inĩ ya West Pokot.
No vision is somebody at least you can see some few meters. I was seeing like 3 meters. Went to Kikuyu, but the condition is somehow genetics. It's got it nicest being my toes. I think his cells go slowly deteriorating or being degenerative. And I think I lost completely when I was in Form 3. It deteriorated almost for me not to do the KCSE. Fortunately, I was able to cope, and when I joined the university first year, that's when I lost the sight completely.
Mwena-inĩ wake Lilian arauga akenirio nĩ mĩtugo mĩega ya Ngoge, akiuga wathe wake ndũmũgiragĩrĩria kũruta mawĩra make ma o mũthenya.
Simon has been living on his own. I've been living on my own. Now we're staying together. So we living like the way we used to do. He used to cook his own food. Sometimes we cook together in the kitchen. I do the serving as a wife. I take up my roles as a wife, and he takes up his roles as a man. If it is late at night, get to around 9 there, and there's no milk, I tell him, "Sawendu kalete milk." So he plays his role as a man.
Aya eeri nĩ akuma gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Tetu kaunti-inĩ ya Nyeri. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Joseph Wachira.